Hi, Tim Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install VS Codium on an ARM-based Chromebook. So I have an Acer Spin 311 here, and if I go down to my settings, I clicked on my launcher, I'm going to go to my settings. If I go down to About Chrome OS and go to Diagnostics, I can see I have a MediaTek Campanile 500 CPU that's ARM-based. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my settings now, go back to About Chrome OS, and I'm going to look at the Linux development environment. I'll click Setup. It's going to pop us up a setup wizard. I'll click Next. It's going to give me a username and a recommended disk size. I believe the username is based off your email, and you can change the disk size if you want to move the custom slider here, or just stick with the recommended. You can change the disk size at a later point, but I would change the username now if you want to. I'm going to click Install, and that's going to go ahead and install Linux. That'll take a minute or two, so I'll come on back once that's done. Once the Linux development environment is installed, a terminal will pop up. I can close out my settings at this point, and I'll maximize my terminal and increase my font size so you can see what I'm doing. First off, I want to make sure everything's up to date. I can type that by typing sudo apt update and 2 ampersands, then sudo apt upgrade with the -y flag. I'll hit enter. The -y flag is just to say yes to any additional storage that the update and upgrade would take, and I'll let that run on through. I'll come back when that's done. Okay, once the update has run through, I can close out this terminal. And now I'm going to open up my browser. I want to search for VS Codium, and I'll hit enter. And we see we have this link to VS Codium here. And if I scroll on down, I can go to this button, download the latest release. I'm going to click on that. That's going to bring me to the most recent release. I want to show all 136 assets. So it's going to do that, and what I'm looking for is this ARM64.deb. This is a 64-bit computer. It has an ARM processor, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to click on this to download it. Okay, once it downloads, you'll see I have something show in folder. I'm going to click on that, and this is going to bring me to my downloads folder. If you don't see show in folder, just go to your downloads folder. I'm going to right-click and click Install with Linux. It's going to reach out and fetch some information. I'll click Install and then OK. And this is going to take a minute or two to install. Okay, after a minute or two it will install. I can click on my launcher, and if I scroll on down to my Linux apps, I see I have the icon for VS Codium. I can right click and pin that to my shelf because I'm going to be using it a lot. And I can close this out and also close this out. And then I'll click on VS Codium, the icon, to open it. Okay, and VS Codium will open up. Now take in mind it might take a slight bit longer to open up the first time, as I believe it's creating some dot files and so forth. Anyways, that's all there is to it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.